How many times has this happened to you? You just sat down with your favorite mug of coffee or tea and it's piping hot. You're reading a book or watching a show, you go to drink it and it's already lukewarm. No more with the coffee mug warmer from Ikago. This will keep your mug at the perfect temperature all the time. This uses the latest in IR technology to keep your drink at the perfect drinkable temperature. Never too hot or too cold. It's completely customizable, so you can change your ideal temperature in increments of 1 degree, from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 176, from 40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. What I especially love about the coffee mug warmer is that you can use it with absolutely any mug, whether it's the matching mug from Ikago or your own favorite mug. These have a remarkable heating efficiency up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit and algorithms for temperature control and measurement, so it keeps your coffee always at that just right temperature. Just keep the Ikago coffee mug warmer right by your desk. You will always have the perfect temperature drink. The LCD screen shows a digital display of the set point temperature and the actual temperature, so you can see in real time how hot or cold your coffee is compared to where you set it. The LCD screen has color bars that indicate the difference between the actual temperature and the set point temperature of your drink. When the color bar is blue, it indicates your drink is cooler than the set temperature, and a red color bar means the coffee is hotter than the set point, and the coffee warmer will stop heating. When the color bar is green, it means your coffee is at the perfect drinkable temperature. It uses intelligent power regulation and an algorithm for temperature control and measurement that's smart and safe. I also love the overheating protection and auto shutdown for safety. I love this for stay-at-home moms, if you work from home or any office, and it's a good gift for the person who has everything. I mean, who doesn't enjoy a nice hot steeped beverage? So pick up a couple of these today.